starting here. Let's turn the brightness up. There we go. Alright, we are at a intersection at River and Stone Avenue. It's kind of dark out, so you can barely see the lines a little something. Clicky. That one's got a burned out yellow light and a flickering red light. It's not flickering right now, but it does every time this thing is on. That right there is still flashing for some stupid reason. Okay, that one's already getting turned on. There goes that one. Yep. Oh, that one went off too. That one right there and that one over there turned on. Look at that. Just simple. Look at that. 11 seconds left. A flashing yellow light right in the distance. Road work being done over here. First thought that thing was screwed up. Guess not. So look at this. Once this goes off, that right there is gonna, that yellow light's gonna die, and then the red light's gonna flicker. And I'll tell you why when the button goes, when this goes off. It should take a moment. It takes a numerous amount of time. There's that one right there. There's that one right there. And let's see what happens. Wait for it. Yep, dead yellow light. Flickering red light. Walk sign goes off. That's it.